Hey Geek, so if you're somebody who loves to travel, especially international travel, then probably one of the biggest challenges that you have is what to pack and how to pack. And if you're a creator like myself, then that adds another level of challenge. And so today I wanted to show you my minimal travel creator setup that gives me everything that I need with very few compromises. So let's go ahead and start with the first and most important part, and that is your cameras, or in this case, cameras. And so the one that I use the most and I highly recommend for travel creators is this right here. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is a very popular camera for many reasons. Not only is it small and lightweight, but it's also very powerful, giving creators practically all the features that I need while still providing really awesome quality. However, if you wanted to get the best quality possible, you're typically going to need a bigger camera. And in that case, I've also brought along my Panasonic S5 IIX full frame camera, and this is my A camera. This is the main camera that I would use. However, if I'm out and about, then I normally just take this camera. But this gives me the best of both worlds. I get the portability of the Osmo Pocket 3, but I also get the very high quality, fully featured full frame camera. And so that is the first and most important thing, and that is the camera or cameras that you are using. And then besides video, of course, is the audio. And in a lot of cases, the audio is going to be more important than the video. And in that case, I have one main option, or actually two main options, and that is this right here. This is the DJI Mic Mini. Now, this is a really awesome mini microphone that is very similar to the DJI Mic 2, which I also have. However, it's a lot smaller and more portable. And I also have this right here. I actually have two of them along with the receiver, so this allows me a lot more flexibility while also giving me the option to use this on my camera. But I also have a smaller shotgun mic on my camera right now. This is the DT camera, so this gives me a lot of flexibility in how I actually want to use my audio. And having 4 different microphones gives me a lot of flexibility, especially if I want to do interview style videos. And so having really great audio is super important, and I highly recommend getting the Mic Mini and also the DT shotgun mic. And then for all my computing needs, I'm actually using my Framework 13-inch laptop along with a portable 15.6-inch InnoView monitor. And then for my keyboard and mouse, I am using this ProtoArc foldable keyboard along with a mouse. And then finally, I actually have a tripod. I am using the Ulanzi selfie stick tripod combo. This is a really small and lightweight tripod that allows me to mount my cameras. And so overall, this is my entire minimal travel creator setup, which gives me all the features that I need in very high quality with very few compromises. And about the only thing that I'm missing versus my normal setup at home is some type of lighting setup. But overall, I am very happy with what I have here, and it kind of shows you that you can do this as well without having to carry a lot of gear. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any of your own travel setups, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to support my channel and get all of this travel gear that I'm using, I'll leave affiliate links in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you on another episode.